So here is an experiment you can use to demonstrate Avogadros Law involving the gas laws. Avogadros Law involves volume and the amount of moles, which is the amount of gas particles basically. So all you need for this experiment, you just need a balloon, volumetric flask, or if you don't have a volumetric flask, which I don't have right now, you can use a bottle. You're gonna need some vinegar, and you're gonna need some baking soda. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take some vinegar and you're gonna pour it in either the flask, or if you, like I said, if you don't have a flask, you can just use a bottle. So I'm gonna pour some. You don't want to pour too much, so that I feel like that's enough. So after you pour the vinegar in, then you're gonna take your balloon and you're gonna put some baking soda in the balloon. I don't have a funnel with me right now, so I'm just doing it by hand. So yeah, I was hoping that didn't happen. But normally you would use a funnel. I'm gonna pour a little more in. It was clumpy, that's why it came out like that. Alright, I feel like that's enough. So then you're gonna put the balloon over the flask or the bottle. So once you have it over the balloon, over the flask or the bottle, then you're gonna lift it up and let the baking soda fall into the bottle and hold the balloon. So then with Avogadros Law, when baking soda and vinegar is mixed, it's gonna mix together to form carbon dioxide, and that should fill up the balloon. So it's gonna go until it fills up the balloon. As you can see, the balloon is getting bigger and bigger. So it may explode off, I'm not sure. Nah, I think that's it. I don't think it's gonna get any bigger. But as you can see, the balloon has expanded from the baking soda and that is how you can do an at-home experiment or in a laboratory when you're trying to demonstrate Avogadros Law. That's one of the gas laws. So stay tuned. I will be doing another video to demonstrate another one of the gas laws. I have one video where I demonstrated Gay-Lussac's law involving the crushing of the cans with pressure and the temperature. Check that video out.